Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kat and I make videos related to luxury, lifestyle and fashion. So if you enjoy such videos, remember to subscribe and let's get started. Right now, I'm just going to do a really quick unboxing because this literally just came in the mail as well and I got it through a reseller. It actually came in this particular box. Ollie! It's actually a watch. And Oliver is like, he just can't wait to unbox it with me. Do you want to sit here?
Inside?
It's actually my watch.
You know what's inside here?
No. Here.
You don't know?
Oh, it's actually a watch.
You don't know what's inside here?
I know. It's actually this watch. Is it beautiful?
No. But I'm thinking.
Yeah, so this is actually my vintage Premier watch, Chanel. I got it in large and yeah, I've always been eyeing it. So really beautiful piece. Let me tell you a little bit more about this watch very soon, but I can just show you some watch shots. Unveiled in 1987, the Chanel Premier was the house's very first watch, and it instantly rewrote the rules of timekeeping. Its octagonal case echoes the iconic shape of the Place Vendôme and the stopper of Chanel No. 5, while the black lacquer dial and chain link bracelet capture Parisian chic in motion. Designed exclusively for women at a time when most luxury watches still mimicked men's styles, the Premier became a statement of independence, elegance, and modernity. Today, almost 4 decades later, it remains a timeless icon, a piece that is as much jewelry as it is a watch. This is how the large Chanel Premier watch looks on me, and this is from the 1987 year, and it's really in amazing pristine condition. So yeah, just put it on. An L size fits really well, and for those who are thinking of how to open this piece, this is how you do it. Open it from the side, so don't pull. It's not you don't have to press it, but use your fingernails and pull it up, and it wouldn't just come off just like that, right? So this is actually the serial number, and do you see that there's this little line here? Yeah, so this is also, you can imagine that it's super well made. You use your little fingers and push it up, and then it's just more of like a safety hook thing. Then you can actually remove it. So it's taking a little bit of time for me to unhook because I'm doing it like kind of in a very awkward position right now, holding my camera kind of stand next to me, but you get the drift. I don't really see it a lot in a lot of other videos where there's this specific hook that is coming out, right? So again, let me show you how I wear it. Just imagine. So if I want to like wear it, all I do is I slip it in again, and then I close the hook here, and then I close it back. Okay, and if I do it without wearing my watch, here, open up the little hook. It's like this little line here, and then take it out and then put it back in again. It's very like it's just really well made, like well thought out, just like that. So this is how my watch looks like. It's in amazing condition. Of course, it has some of my thumbprints, but overall it has like the serial number here as well. So a really well made piece from the pre-loved market. I got it for less than $2,000, around 1,009 Singapore dollars. So yeah, this is a really good piece, a great investment, because this is literally a classic piece. And all right, see you in my next one. Subscribe for more. Say subscribe for more.
Subscribe for more.
Okay, look there.
Subscribe for more.
Bye.